Hey, what's up, YouTube? So I'm gonna do a video with my student. Go some more. Okay, you see the traffic there?
Yes.
They are turning. So as soon as it's clear for them, then we can go. Because those people over there have the red light. So when it's clear for these people, then you can actually go ahead and make your right turn. All right, go ahead. Take your time. Try to stay in the right lane. Over here. And straighten up here. Yeah, as I was saying, I'm shooting a video for the first time with this student. This is her third driving lesson, actually. So I'm gonna document about 15 minutes of her driving to kind of show you where she is, what she's doing. Alright, as usual, I want you to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell. Okay, so I'm wearing a mask, as you can see. So it is really muffled, and I'm sure you guys can hear that. So didn't think I needed to say it, but I just mentioned it because someone has actually commented about how muffled the videos were, and I'm like, okay, I'm wearing a mask. That's like obvious. All right. So when you stop behind the cars, again, you gotta make sure you can see the back tires.
I'm going straight then?
Yeah, you're going straight. Sit back, relax. Oh yeah, you do have your back thing. Those things are comfortable, right?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, that's cool. I should get one because I sit all damn day. Where you get that from?
On Amazon.
Yeah, Amazon have everything. What's it called?
Lumbar
Lumbar support? Okay. Okay, I'll check into it because I definitely need one of them things. Because when it gets busy again, I sit for 12 to 14 hours. I need that. Alright, so we're gonna go straight. We're gonna try to go over to 56 and then across over to Plantation. So we're gonna work. Actually, you know what? I'm not gonna go all the way to Plantation. I'm gonna go to this neighborhood over in Inverary. Because yeah, I kind of just want to work on cornering.
I want to do that.
She said badly. Everybody struggles with that. Actually, how many videos? I think I have like 3 videos on that subject. Cornering, turning, all that stuff. Yeah, it's one of those things that everyone struggles with it. Like a lot of students would tell me, I could drive, I just don't know how to do corners. I always say, well, if you don't know how to do corners, it probably means you still don't know how to drive yet. They always say that. I can go straight. I just don't know how to go around corners. I'm like, okay. If you can't do corners, you can't drive. It is absolutely required. So you work today?
Today? No. I work in the days. I'm off today.
Okay. Yeah, I've been actually doing a few lessons.
It picked up a little
Yeah,
more.
it picked up. Yeah, the phone's starting to ring again. Yeah, people are in the let's get back out mode mindset. I mean, I feel them on some level. I still think it's mad dangerous, but we gotta work with it. Yeah, my phone's ringing a lot now. Compared to the previous 2 months, it was just not ringing at all. So people are starting to get into okay, because the DMV should open soon. So I suppose people are, DMV is gonna open. I need to get my license. Even the videos, the channel, last week, because my views fell from like 15 to 17,000 to like 3,000. And then between last week and now, it's up 8,500. So boom, just like that. So everybody's getting back to life as usual, I guess. So yeah, that's a good thing. Okay, slow down. This guy is going to just come in front of us.
This is my first big truck I hit.
You hit the big trucks? Okay, so we're gonna make a right turn coming up here. Signal right. And go into the lane right here at the beginning of the lane, yes. Alright, we're gonna slow down and just take that corner nice and slow. Slow down and turn and let it go. Yeah, gently on the gas. See, with practice that gets slightly easy, you know what I mean? Because that is really the key. The problem most people have is they keep hanging on to the wheel. When you go around the corner, you're hanging on. You have to actually let it go. Because it's designed to straighten up by itself, you know what I mean? So yeah.
So you slow down a bit going around the corner.
Yeah, you slow down to a point where you are actually comfortable, right? And you're in control. And then, you know, you let it roll through the corner and then let it go at the end. When you're positioned in the lane where you want to be, then you let it go. The whole let it go thing, it sounds strange, but it actually does work. You know what I'm saying? You just have, and a lot of times people take their hands off the wheel like that. That's not what I'm saying. You let it go and let it roll through your fingers. If you watch any person that's been driving, you'll see that they generally let the steering wheel go. Okay, so we gotta stop. They generally let the steering wheel go when they go around the corners and it rolls through their fingers. It's kind of a natural thing after a while. Yeah, it gets to a point where it's like something that you just do, you know what I'm saying? Alright, go ahead. Yo, they're in this rush to reopen restaurants, yo. Like, who's trying to run out to restaurants? That's all they've been talking about. Like, who wants to just run out to some restaurant to go sit down with a bunch of people to eat some food? That is so silly. Yeah, I've been listening to this program and that's all they're talking about when the restaurants reopen. I guess they don't.
Businesses are in a rush to open too.
I mean, I understand that they're trying to make money, but I'm not even talking about the business owners because I know their motivation, right?
Yeah,
I'm talking about the people that's so anxious to run out and eat some food. Okay, so we're going to make a right turn coming up into this neighborhood. So signal right. And slow down enough so you can control it. Slow down more. Slow down a little bit more. Turn. And let it go. See? Alright, make a right turn here again. Signal right. Slow down. And turn. Turn. Keep it stop turning right there and just let it stop turning here. And let the car keep going around the corner. So now you stop, right? That's too slow. And then straight up. You want to slow down, right? But not enough to stop the car. You understand?
So you want to slow down?
Slow down, but not stop. Slow down and keep the car rolling, but slow enough that you can properly control it.
So keep my foot over the gas.
Well, not necessarily over the gas. You just release the gas. Like, yeah, you don't have to jump on the brakes, right? Unless you're going really fast.
That's what I do when I'm turning.
You jump on the brake?
Sometimes, because I'm afraid to go around too quickly.
Yeah, if you're going fast, approaching the corner, then you need to use the brakes to slow you down, right? But if you're not going fast, then you just release the gas pedal and just roll through the corners. And then when you finish, you press the gas again to go down the road. Like for instance, coming up to this corner, you're not going fast, so you don't need to brake. So you just stay in your lane, stop turning right there, keep the car going, and then release right there. You see what I'm saying? Yeah, that's just exactly how it works. Alright, we're going to make a left turn here again, signal left. So you make sure you're in your lane when you go around. Turn on a little bit more. Alright, let go. See me? Alright, we're gonna go down the road there and we're going to make a right turn. Yeah, turns can be tricky, but once you get the hang of it, it's actually quite easy. Alright, so we're gonna make the right turn coming up. Signal.
72 employees. We went down to about 8 of us that stayed in here. And
Okay, you're a little bit too close to the right.
at the beginning when the
Alright,
shutdown
go ahead, turn.
did shut down.
Stop turning there, just let it roll and let it go.
Some
And straighten up. You did wait a little bit long. But yeah.
we opened right at Easter.
Alright, so go around this corner here.
Easter was great. Obviously very busy. But then after that, it went down to McKinley, bring back a couple
Turn a little bit more
members that
and let it go.
to help.
Yeah.
So yeah.
You see that last swing to the left?
In terms of layouts,
Okay, let me do this one coming up for you
the doors have real.
and give you an example of what I mean when I say of when to let it go.
Was still down at least 50% in terms of doors.
So we're gonna make a right
We
turn.
got this comment, Tim, from Pop, who tweets this. I miss Waffle House, even though it was only occasional dining. I've noticed the salad bars and condiment stations have changed or gone away.
Alright, so I'll do this one for you.
Tim, I wonder what you
Alright,
think.
stop sign. So stop. Alright, this time just press the gas and take your hands off and let me do it. Right? Press the gas. So you turn just to the at a point where you're, and then you let the car go around like that, and then you just let it go. See what I'm saying? And if you let it go at the right time, it straightens up in the lane. Let me do this one again.
Turn right.
So you turn right. So you turn like that, and then you go like that, and then you let it go. See what I mean? And yeah, with practice that gets quite easy actually. Alright, so we're going to make the left turn coming up.
To satisfy, previously was to satisfy the people who just wanted
Signal left.
to shelter in place on the weekend and watch Netflix and not have to
Huh?
go to restaurants.
This is flat. Like even the road really look like a drive.
Yeah man, everything flat for real. Yeah, these places are quite flat. Yeah, let go. Let go. See, you let it go at the right time and then you grab it back.
I feel out of control when I do
I know. It's very counterintuitive to let it go. Trust me. But based on how the cars are designed, they're designed to actually go back to straight.
I don't trust you.
You have to. That's how it works. You're a little bit too much on that side. Yeah, but yeah, most of the time, people are very resistant to letting go of the wheel because, again, it's quite counterintuitive. You're thinking, that is the same reason why people hang on to the steering wheel when they're driving with all their muscle. Because somehow you feel like you need to muscle up to control the car. And in reality, the car actually doesn't need your help like that. It's designed to go straight down the road. If the car is properly aligned, it will definitely just go straight down the road. You understand? So you don't need to muscle up on it. Like for instance, if you just take your hands off, all the way off. You see that?
I see people do it all the time, like drivers. I'm like,
Yeah, it's not going nowhere. It's not gonna jump off the road. It's not gonna make a sudden turn off the road, right? So if you let go of the steering wheel and the car immediately start to turn right or left, what that means is that your car is out of alignment. Meaning you need to go to the mechanic and get the car aligned. Like that here. But if your car is properly aligned, it will go straight down the road. It's designed to do that. Let go. Yeah, you see that? That's good. That works. Practice makes perfect. It's really that simple. Yeah, for people, a lot of people actually, a lot of my students, when they get home, they're like mad tired.
your brain, like, it,
That ain't just your brain, your muscle, because you're so tense and nervous and driving with with all of your muscles instead of just being relaxed and letting the car do what it does. They just muscle up and tension doesn't really work.
For the meantime, I mean,
Okay, so Yeah. And then we're gonna go straight across. Okay, I did say I was gonna make a short video, so I don't wanna go too long. We're
Alright,
gonna,
so that is a turn is coming up.
yeah, so yeah. Let me see how smooth you can do this turn. So you stay closer to your right side. And then keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, and let it go. See, yeah, you're getting the hang of it.
But let's not forget the main issue here is traffic coming in. So no matter what you present here at the restaurant, until you have that traffic coming in, whether you open it.
Anyway, I'm gonna end this video because yeah. All right, so as you can see, she is doing her thing. She's still pretty fresh, but she's getting the hang of it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to the last 2 lessons for her practicing like the driving test and then taking the driving test. I'm gonna share with you the last practice and the actual driving test. Alright, so stay tuned for that. And again, I'm going to thank you for watching the video. Like, subscribe, and share, please. Alright, and I will see you on the next one.